Like many of Amy's kits, Autumn 1910 comes with an image to make or cover a standard US number 10 envelope. I don't normally use such a long envelope, so I used the image to make a removable over-the-page journal card. I cut out the white bit, which would be the window of the envelope, then glued lace on the back to fill the space. To finish it, I glued a piece of cardstock to the back, so it can be written on. To attach it to the journal, I scored a line, then folded it so it can hang over a page and be clipped in. The small flap could be glued onto the page, creating a tuck spot, but it is easier to write on if removable. Also, it could be moved to any other page in the journal. If you remember, I made an envelope from one of the kit papers for the middle of the journal. Well, after a while, I didn't like it there, so made another envelope from yellow cardstock. I think it matches much better. I'm happier that the new envelope doesn't stick out as far as the other one did. It's more cohesive now. I wasn't going to waste the kit page envelope, so I decided to make it a flip out on another page. The envelope's flap makes a small tuck space. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments.